Today, guys, I will show you the easiest way how to get free coins on your WEBTOON. So it's very easy, just you need to follow some steps till the end in this video. So open your WEBTOON first. And when you will open your WEBTOON, as you can see, it will open directly here on your For You page or your homepage. Right now, just go to this three dots option. Right now, you can find this list. Click on buy coins. We will not buy coins. We will just get it for free. What I have to do right now, I just have to scroll this list, and I will click here, redeem free coins. I will click on it, and right now it will tell me to enter your promotion code. So where I can find my promotion code for WEBTOON, what I have to do, I will go and search on Google Chrome. I will search right now here for WEBTOON code, promo code, and then I will search for the right one, and I will pick one from the promo code that I will have here. You just have to search, and after this, when you get the promo code, you just have to go back to your application WEBTOON, and you have to enter it here and click apply. Then you will get a free coin. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. See you next tutorial.